Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today in this video, we are gonna understand another trading view tools which you can see and are available in every Demat account in every platform where you trade. You will find that tool sections always there because most of the broker have the integrations with TradingView and they are uh, they are pre-planned and they are integrated into the broker that you have used. It may be Grow, it may be Upstocks, it may be Angel One, whatever the broker you have used for. Right. So today in this video, we're going to understand that this measure and also call as scale tools, which is one of the most important tools if we considered. So आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर we're going to understand that tools from the details, right? So what is the purpose of that tool? Why we used it? So if you are a trader, basically a day trader and also a long-term trader. So if I want to calculate that how much percentage of the movement or the downfall the trend has, or within which period of time, how many candles it formed, each and everything you will find on the scale section, right? So supposedly, if you think that from the top here, if we consider that, we will see that how many percentage it falls down to here. If you see correctly, then we are talking about this top positions and this low positions or bottom positions. So if you want to see that how many percentage of fall it gives within how many hours and how many ticks it generate, then you have to just simply select that measure or scale section. You have to click it, and from wherever you want to measure it, you have to just click on there. Let's say I want to measure it from the top of that positions, want to low of that positions. You have to simply and accurately make sure that if you pull it and down, then it will came down, but when the candle is closed, we will see and we will click it here. You don't have to drag and drop, you have to just click 2 times, right? So if you see that from the top here and from the bottom of here, the downfall is about minus 1.80 percentage, and the price difference is minus 433.75 point. And if you want to calculate the ticks or the date to price range, actually, then it is approximately 8735. And how many bars it have? Bars mean candle. Then it has a 186 bars. It takes 5 days 3 hour, and the volume is about 1.23 billion. Okay, so that is what a scale or measure actually did, right? And if you just simply click on any of the portion of the chart, then it will automatically disappear. If you see that like that, okay, so it doesn't stay forever, except you will use that date and price range wale jo cheez hai, that thing, right? So this is also similar thing, but it gives you more information, like how many minutes it have, and also it stays how many hours, and it never goes off like measures, right? So apart from that, let's again jump into here. And if you want to see a short movement, like I'm a intraday trader, let's suppose to be, and I want to see that from here to here how many percentage or how many prices fall it gives us. Okay, so again you have to just simply click on here. Make sure that in which candle stop you want to measure. Just you have to select it accurately. From here I want to select it to there, right? So approximately like that. So if you see that it is the fall of a minus 1.66 percentage in Nifty. If you want to see that, there is a date which you can also consider, as it is started when Wednesday 8th July, and it is also in the same day. If you see that the Nifty has fallen apart 1.66 percentage, and the price difference is about 400 points, and if you see that the TIX is about 8,000, volume is about that 121 million, approximately 12 cr you can consider. And how many hours it takes 1 hour and 10 minutes just to give an fall, just to give a massive fall, okay, in Nifty. So like that it is how actually measured. And if you want to see a bullish signal from that, so let's see that from here you want to see to there, okay, that top position, from that bottom position to that top position you want to see that how many percentage of the return or how many bullishness it shows, and within how many days, right? So again you have to simply select on that skill position. You have to just simply click on here, and you have to just drag it. Do not drag it. You have to just simply moving your mouse, or if you are doing it in your phone, then you have to just simply if you do it, you will find the way, right? So you have to just simply click it once to just stop it, okay. So if you see, then it takes one day, 18 hour and 14 minute. The jump is about 1.39 percentage. It gives you a 331.60 point movement, and it creates a 6,632 ticks, and the volume is about 519.75 million, which is approximately, if you consider that, 552 cr, right? So that much transaction it happens, that much volumes it generates, right? And within how many hours? It takes one day, 18 hour and 14 minutes only. Okay, so that is how you can actually use your measure segment, that is called measure. If you hover your mouse onto that, it is also called measure, it is also called scale. And you can also doing it by just clicking on your keyboard, just a simply shift पे click करो, and then you will have that, okay. Just again shift पे click करो, okay, you will have that. That is how you can do it, okay. So I hope you get it. And if you learn something new from this video, make sure that you subscribe our channel and like that video, and stay together with us, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.